Hello, and welcome to my next tip from Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Naturally Speaking Pro. And today I'm just going to quickly show you how to use Dragon Naturally Speaking's default word processor. Sometimes Dragon Naturally Speaking does not work well in some programs like Microsoft Word if you don't have the right edition of Dragon Naturally Speaking. So we're going to begin by turning on the microphone, which you always have to do. You begin by saying, "Wake up." Then we're going to say to Dragon Naturally Speaking, "Start DragonPad." This opens up Dragon Naturally Speaking default word processor. Period. There are some advantages and some disadvantages to using DragonPad. Period. It doesn't have all of the options that Microsoft Word and other word processors have. Period. It is, however, wonderful for voice recognition. Period. As you see, you can very quickly speak into DragonPad without any problems. Period. Any command that you can do within Dragon Naturally Speaking, you can do in DragonPad. Period. So, that's how you use Dragon Naturally Speaking and how you open DragonPad. Period. I look forward to offering you more tips in the future. Period. You could easily sign up and subscribe to my YouTube page and get regular updated tips on using voice recognition. Period. You can subscribe here, or you can visit my website and learn more about my full e-course on using Dragon Naturally Speaking. Period. Go to sleep. Look forward to hearing you soon, and I hope to see you on my website and on my YouTube page. See you soon. Bye-bye.